I'm having highest flammability range in SR. I'm a short-tempered gas and ignitable by static electricity and a very small spark. I am ammonia. I'm lighter than air, colorless, a very strong, pungent smell, soluble in water, corrosive in nature, and toxic gas. I'm a very short-tempered, flammable gas, easily ignited at range of 16 to 25%. I can create disaster if I'm uncontrolled. I'm generally found at CRM complex.
I am natural gas. I am a mixture of methane, ethane, and propane. I am available in all plants. I am colorless, odorless, lighter than air, and also flammable. I am water. I am clear and colorless liquid, and I don't have a shape. I am supporter of your life. I am useful everywhere except with hazardous chemicals. Reactive metals are scared of me. I am explosive with steel plants when liquid metal falls on me. I am metal dust. I am having very large surface area. I am light in weight, highly porous and highly reactive. I burn in atmosphere when hot and my flames subside as the reoxidation is complete. You cannot predict my temperatures at any point. I am hydrogen sulfide. I am colorless and having brothonate-like smell. I am heavier than air and highly flammable and highly toxic. I am corrosive in wet conditions and soluble in water. I am available as spice milk. I am phoric gas. I am poisonous, colorless, odorless, explosive, and heavier than air. I am made mainly of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. I am produced from phoric plants and utilized as a fuel in other plants. CO, R, EX, Corex. SR because of protective measures adopted by them like inbuilt design safety, regular inspections, early gas leakage detection system, water spray protection system, maintenance by trained workforce, safe operating procedures, provision of dust extraction and purging systems.
What a great performance by our daring girls. The deadly gases never looked so beautiful. What an innovative way of communication. We are privileged to be a part of SR Steel Hazira, where world-class layers of protection are provided to avoid any disaster.
Now, proceeding further, let us all feel the tough life and challenges faced by a brave fire personnel through this small video.
Audience, please don't move. The show is not over yet.
जाति धर्म के भेदभाव हमें अलग नहीं कर पाते। ऊंची ऊंची मीनारों पर साहस से आग बुझाते, तन मन धन के साथ साथ जन जन की जान बचाते। चाहे अग्नि बन जाए ज्वाला, करे कोप चाहे धरती अंबर, करेंगे जन जन की रक्षा हमें, चाहे चलना हो अंगारों पर। हम रक्षक हैं जीवन के, सेवा है धर्म हमारा, अग्निशमन कर्तव्य हमें है प्राणों से प्यारा। हम मानवता के सेवक हैं, खड़े हैं सीना तान, चाहे कहीं भी चाहे हम पहले तो है इंसान। हम मानवता के सेवक हैं, खड़े हैं सीना तान, अनुशासन से भरे हुए संगठन में है अभिमान, फर्ज की पुकार पर करके प्राणों का दान। चाहे अग्नि बन जाए ज्वाला, करे कोप चाहे धरती अंबर, करेंगे जन जन की रक्षा हम, चाहे चलना हो अंगारों पर। हम रक्षक हैं जीवन के, सेवा है धर्म हमारा, अग्निशमन कर्तव्य हमें है प्राणों से प्यारा।
Show is not over yet.
This video was truly inspiring and eye-opener. I would now humbly request Sri Rajiv Bhatnagar to please come on stage and share his valuable thoughts.
Ladies and gentlemen, and dear colleagues of SR Hazira, I came in this program little late due to some exigencies in the work, but I'm sure what I saw was so nice, so appealing and so impressive. And Rakesh Vassal has told me whatever had happened before that, including his welcome speech, I can imagine that this was a wonderful show so far. Fire is a subject on, before taking the serious part of fire in my thoughts about fire, I would first of all like to compliment whosoever has come up with this wonderful and innovative idea of actually presenting the principles, precautions and reasons and the way and the prevention methods of fire hazard through the efforts and the work, a very creative work of all the females. So a great round of applause I would appeal for these wonderful ladies who have put together this wonderful idea. And also, I don't know the name of the person, but I must compliment entire fire team and its leadership, Rakesh, Mr. Panda and everybody who has done this wonderful innovative thing for celebrating the Fire Week in Assam. In a lighter vein, I was just telling these girls, are you here to inspire to quench the fire or to make fire? I don't know. I don't know who wrote the script of the whole, ramp show that we saw, which was saying, I am carbon monoxide, I am odorless, I am colorless. Nobody will believe you are odorless or colorless. About tasteless, I can't comment here, but definitely I can say for the first two things. But of course, that's just the joke. The main part is the way it's conveyed, and I'm sure the way the entire journey of the Fire Week is built up. You will see much more bigger surprises on the culminating day when the women power of SR Hazira will actually show much more than what they have done and conclude into a real, great show which will inspire us to manage fire. Now at this point, I would like to become a little serious on the issue, because fire, when it is not managed well, can become one of the most serious hazard an industry has ever seen. First thing that comes to my mind is, an analogy with the time management. I was just thinking, what is fire actually? Fire is, as the great people have said, is one of those five mool tattvas. Jal, Vayu, Agni, Dharti, Akash. इन सब से मिलकर एक मानव जीवन बना है, हम लोग की जिंदगी बनी है, हमारा अस्तित्व बना है. So fire as such cannot be a bad thing to think about, because mostly whenever we think of fire, we think it's something very bad, which is destroying value, which is destroying human lives, it is destroying everybody. No, it is not. Fire is a very friendly element, fundamental element of life. It's only how we manage it. It can be a great friend. In the learned people say, when we talk about time management, they say, there is nothing, no capsule on time management. People can never manage time. It's outside your capacity actually. What you do is, you manage yourself within the time which is given. So that's, in the same way, it goes for fire. We don't actually make fire management. We manage ourselves in fire, with fire. Because in a steel plant particularly, we have to remain with fire all the time, all our life. Go to blast furnace, what is it? It's a hell of a fire. What is open heart?